Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the host. Make sure your GPU drivers are fully updated so the pass-through components behave predictably. Once done, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable VTX or AMDV. This is necessary for hardware acceleration. Install the matching VirtualBox release and the extension pack on the host so USB and PCI features become available. You do these now because missing any of these steps later will block GPU access and waste time on troubleshooting. Next, you perform the actual pass-through. First, power off the VM and clear hot plug devices to avoid conflicts. Then enable IMU on the host kernel and bind the GPU to vFIO PCI or the host's pass-through driver. This isolates the card from the host. In VirtualBox, open the VM settings and add the GPU as a PCI device, including its ROM if required by the guest. Make sure to keep the VM hardware type and chipset compatible so the guest detects the GPU correctly. Finally, boot the virtual machine and install the GPU drivers inside the guest, just like on a physical machine. Matching driver versions is crucial for stability and performance. Configure guest firmware, UEFI, and enable any guest-side acceleration preferences only if supported by the past GPU. Run a simple GPU benchmark or render test to confirm acceleration. If you get no display or errors, inspect IMU groups. Verify the GPU is bound to the pass-through driver, and read host and VirtualBox logs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.